Be seated, please. State versus Jesse Martin, 2015-286, charged with possession of drug paraphernalia. Okay, sir, I'm going to appoint the Public Defender's Office to represent you.
Your Honor, based on that appointment, we'll waive reading of the information and a plea of not guilty.
Yeah, I enter the plea of not guilty. Your case is before Judge Webb, another judge, and he'll be here on September 24th. And I'm going to schedule you to appear on that day at 9 a.m., okay?
All right.
Thank you. State versus Cheyenne Chenault, 15-283.
Your Honor, he's got another case on Judge Webb's docket. If we could transfer this one over to that docket,
Okay.
we'd enter a plea of not guilty, waive reading of the information.
Yes, sir, I'm enter a plea of not guilty in your case and schedule you to reappear before Judge Webb on September 24th, 9 o'clock. Okay?
Sir.
Thank you. Mr. Miller? I've
Yes, sir.
appointed the Public Defender's Office to represent you. You're charged with breaking or entering, theft, criminal mischief.
Your Honor,
Several count. Yes, sir.
sorry to interrupt. We'd waive reading of the information and a plea of not guilty.
I'll enter a plea of not guilty. I'll have you reappear before Judge Webb on September 24th at 9 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
Anything else?
No, Judge.
State versus Michael Andrews, 15-279, 3 counts of delivery of methamphetamine, unlawful use of a communication device, paraphernalia near certain facilities. He also has 15-271, which is similar charges.
Your Honor, we'll waive reading of the information or plea of not guilty. Your Honor, in addition to that day, could we put him on the docket for the 1st of October? We may be able to resolve his cases.
Okay. Yeah, I'll just schedule it for October 1st then.
Thank you, Judge.
Luis Espinoza Molina, 15-269, trafficking methamphetamine. Weapons charge, paraphernalia.
Your Honor,
Sir, I've appointed the Public Defender's Office to represent you,
La oficina te va a representar.
and you're appearing here for an arraignment.
Y estás aquí para hacer.
How does he plead?
Your Honor, he's going to plead not guilty, waive reading of the information. Your Honor, with the help of Mr. Rodriguez, we went over the criminal information and the affidavit in detail earlier this morning.
His next appearance for pretrial will be on October 29th, 10 o'clock.
Thank you, Judge.
State versus Joshua Wales, delivery of methamphetamine, unlawful use of a communication device near certain facilities, other drug-related charges.
Did you say other drug-related charges? Can you speak the charges out, sir? No, I'm charged.
Do you have a lawyer, sir?
No, sir.
You intend to hire a lawyer, make application to public defender?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll go to another case. Carlo Ferrugia, 14-282, charged with possession of Adderall, shoplifting, possession of instruments of crime.
Your Honor, we have previously stood up with Mr. Frugio and represented him on Judge Webb's docket. If we could set this for reappearance when he's here
Okay.
to address the FTA that's pending.
Be here on the 24th of September. State versus Logan Walters. Theft of property, breaking or entering. That's 15-210. 15-196. Break or entering and theft. 15-192. Break or entering, theft. 15-210. pretrial in that matter?
Your Honor, there's no action to take on today's date. We are working close to getting a resolution on his cases, though.
And that's the case in each of the cases?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Walters, they tell me there's nothing to be done in your cases today, so that'll be all. Thank you.
All right, thank you.